The point is, I was starting to say, I know laughter, not the cure-all, right? So I always like to close by giving you some final prescriptions for living a happy, healthy life. Other things that we all should do to live a happy, healthy life. And I like to deliver these in a format that's a tribute to my favorite doctor. The doctor I admired most growing up. The guy who'd be on my Scrubs jersey, right? Dr. Seuss, right? Dr. Seuss. The best doctor of all. And I've become reacquainted with Dr. Seuss ever since becoming a dad, right? I think with my son, first child born, we got the whole Dr. Seuss catalog as gift. People give you gifts. I didn't realize that. When you have a kid, you get toys and books and clothes, and people just give you money. I got checks made out to baby Nieder. What was I supposed to do with that? I went to the bank. Hi, I'm baby Nieder. They called Child Protective Services on me. They did, yeah. I think they did it deliberately, those people. He's never going to be able to cash this. We'll never part with this money. I think that was deliberate, you know what I mean? But no, and I remember when my wife first got pregnant with our first, that, we went to that first meeting with the obstetrician, and I knew the obstetrician from medical school. And she sat us down that first day, and she said, well, this is exciting. I'm so excited for you. And have you two thought about a birth plan? And I said, yes, I think when it gets to be about 9 months, let's get the kid out. How about that for a plan? And she just glared at me, right? I said, okay, well, how about this? Sarah will go through unbearable pain while I stock up on booze and cigars. How's that is that a good plan? But you have to plan. You have to plan for all the new stuff that's coming. The toys and the books and the new equipment for this creature that's coming into your life, right? My wife at 9 months pregnant, she said, Brad, we need to get a bassinet. We need to get a bassinet. I said, honey, calm down. We're about to have a baby. This is no time to be getting a puppy, too, right? I didn't know what a bassinet was. I was thinking basset hound, the big-eared dog, right? That'd be the ear specialist, right, in the dog doctor world. Yeah, I didn't know what it was. And then the day came, right, and the obstetrician, again, I knew her from med school, so she says, last minute, she says, Brad, why don't you put on a gown and you can deliver your son? And I said, that wasn't part of the plan, but I just did, and she was right there, and she held me, and it was amazing, right? It was very cool until I got the hospital bill, and I was like, wait a minute, I did that part, and I did that. Yeah, you wouldn't park your own car and then go pay the valet anyway, you know what I mean? Wait, what is that? I cut the cord, I did that, I cut the umbilical conception, I did that. Why is that even on here? What is...